Hello ROS learners. From this video onwards, we'll be looking into Turttlebot robot, how to install it, and at the end of this video tutorial series, you'll be able to do navigation in ROS. That is, you'll be able to do SLAM algorithm in ROS. So to begin installing Turttlebot, you need to use two simple commands. The first one is sudo apt-get install ros. I'm installing the kinetic version, Turttlebot star. This is the first command. So this will take a bit of the time. You can go ahead and skip it. I'll make sure you don't have to. So we are done installing the first package, that is the Turttlebot star. The next package is rocon, that is rocon, you can pronounce it. And we are done installing the second one as well. So to test if we have it or not, what we'll do is in the next terminal, you'll do ros launch. What a launch file does is what I'll be explaining in the next video. So stay tuned for that and just press tab. So you'll get all the packages which are associated with Turttlebot install, that is Gazebo, messages, navigation, SLAM, etc. And we'll run Gazebo right now, and let's see what all. We have 3 launch files in that, but we'll launch the Turttlebot world, and yeah, let's see what we get. So yeah, this is nice Gazebo environment, which is the ROS pre-built, and you are able to see the Turttlebot. This is our Turttlebot, and there's other few environment things which are placed. This was all for this video. If you want to give us any project suggestions or any video suggestions, please let us know in the comment section below. We'll look forward to it. Till then, keep watching, keep commenting. Robometrics.